Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a weird way to start my channel, my video off, but I'm gonna bleach my hair again. Well, my roots. I have coconut oil in it, but if you can tell, my roots have grown out a lot. Okay, not a lot, but like enough to where it bothers me. So today on a Tuesday afternoon, we're going to attempt to bleach our roots. I have my bleaching shirt on and I'm kind of nervous about this. I don't know why, but I'm very nervous. I'm trying to just tighten up these little separations I have. I know it's probably not even in the back, like to separate it. But as long as I get my roots, sorry if the lighting sucks, but I don't want to get my ring light out. So let's just begin. I'm using 30 Developer and Quick Blue L'Oreal bleach. And I'm going to put on, do I need to put on gloves? We'll just put some on to be safe. Because we don't want to burn. And I have coconut oil in my hair, that's why it looks hella greasy. So I don't have a mirror to see where I am placing my bleach. That's the only thing I don't have. So let's just start and move that out of the way. And I really just want to get my roots and not my actual hair. Oh my god, how is my camera already full? Okay, there. So let's continue. Guys, am I even getting anything? I'm really trying just to get my roots. Why do I have only one glove on? It looks decent to me. Struggle on bleaching your hair. I don't know what's calling me, but I'm kind of busy. Hello?
5 hours later.
Okay guys, it's been less than 30 minutes, but look how this is pretty white. So I'm gonna wash it off. Sorry for earlier. My stupid counselor, and she's not even my counselor. She told me I was in compliance for school, and then she told me today, like, oh, you're missing one thing. And she was trying to upload it, but I don't know, they need to get it together over there. But anyways, that's why I wasn't talking earlier. But I'm gonna wash out this bleach, and let's hope I didn't miss any spots. If not, then we're coming back for round 2. So 1. Okay guys, focus. It came out good. I did miss like this little spot and then my back of my hair. Let me show you. Look at this. You can't even see it. Hold on, let me turn around and you stay there. Can you see this? Did you see how brown that was? So what I'm gonna do is let my hair dry naturally, and then we'll go ahead and just bleach the parts that didn't take or I missed. So I don't know what to say. We'll see how long this takes to dry. I don't know why this part of my hair just stays like that. But yeah, I need to go back and fix this area. So I'll be back in like 2 hours.
5 hours later.
Guys, look at this whole spot I missed. I'm trying to show you. So I'm gonna go back and, sorry for that angle, get those with the bleach. And let's hope this works out. And my roots are still kind of like this orange yellow, so we're gonna get rid of that. Sorry, I'm like so tired. I've been awake since 5 a.m. and we're bleaching hair, so yay me. So let's go round 2. I'm just going over my roots one more time, especially on the ends that look very I think I got all my roots again on the darker areas with trying to avoid as much as ends as possible. Let me just recheck. Okay, so I'm gonna wait really like 20 minutes, probably 30 this time. Last time I didn't even wait the full 30 minutes because I was like, oh, it's already changing color, but I should have waited. So I will be back in 30 minutes and let's hope that I got most of my roots. I didn't buy toner because I was gonna do this video Thursday, but today is Tuesday. So we'll see how my roots come out. I will be back in another 30 minutes. So peace. I don't know why I did that. Okay guys, before I show you, my roots are toned, but my fucking hair is purple. Look at this. I left in my purple shampoo a little too long, so now my hair is purple. And guess what? I have clinical tomorrow at the hospital. I mean, not until 3 p.m. So I'm gonna obviously take a shower tomorrow. And I'm just gonna shampoo my hair again and hopefully some of this purple fades. Well, hopefully when I dry my hair it's not this bad, but my roots are super white. That dark spot is gone. Honestly, if the back of my hair is not white, I'm giving up. So The back of my hair is toned. I don't see any super dark spots, so this was like success. I know I just need to get rid of this freaking purple ass hair. I'm hoping when I take a shower tomorrow it'll come out more. But yeah, I'm going to I put in some of my It's a 10 spray. Have y'all tried It's a 10 like their shampoo and conditioner? I saw that they have a like a mask, hair mask. If you tried it, let me know. I put in some miracle spray because my hair's still soft because I only did my roots. I put in some protein recharge, and I'm also gonna put in my freaking eye itches because I'm sleepy. I'm gonna put in this castor hair conditioning cream that I got at Sally's a while ago for restore shine and manageability, dry over processed hair. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it goes, or I might end this video. I don't know yet. Let me part my hair how I usually part it, like for school. Oh yeah, this is not gonna work. Some of my roots are still very yellow, but having blonde hair is such a bitch. Okay guys, when this dries I'll give you an update tomorrow and let you know if I'm able to get this purple out of my hair. Okay guys, so next morning, my hair is still soft on my ends because I didn't bleach my ends. My roots are purple for sure, so I'm gonna rinse this out when I take a shower. Hopefully it'll come out more because I have to go to my clinical today and I cannot have this purple hair. But my roots did come out good. They're not brown anymore. But yeah, I look freaking crazy. But if you enjoyed this video, then subscribe, like, and share, and let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you have any hair treatments that you love, or deep conditioners that you love, because my hair isn't like hard, but it is dry. So I need something that's good with moisture. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay, just kidding guys, the video's not over. Just wanted to give you an update on my hair. It's super soft, but my roots are, the purple's gone. The purple's gone. As you can tell, and my roots are a little bit yellow still, but I know, hello friend. I don't want to put bleach in my hair again, but I had this crazy idea to do a shadow root. You know, I Google it. It's like when you do like a little darker root, like when your roots grow out. Because I don't want to be dyeing my, or bleaching my, roots every fucking like 2 weeks. So if you think I should do a shadow root, send me some pics on Twitter, or if I have you on Facebook, or Snappy Chat, and or if you should, I should just keep it like this. But anyways, now it's the end of the video. Bye guys.